feel like it's kind of perfect. Except we have a rush for it. Yeah, we keep it in the rush for it. I read that if I'm take that off. Video. Yeah, but now I really need to get it. Well, now it's all calm, so nothing more shaking. Yeah, why doesn't it not on the bed? I'm waiting for it. Yeah, I don't want to take it. It never hits when you want it. No. I know it's going to happen. It's going to be fast. I just want confidence to go over. They're really flexible. Yeah, they bend a lot. I can't believe you want to come in. I know. Jennifer's there. That's what oh, yeah. So Godzilla along the door. And then the big tall grass thing. Oh, yeah. No, it's bigger out there. Well, the toy is so exciting. Look at all this. Yeah, I think it's even stronger now. It's quite weak. It's like half the version. About I live. I know, I probably don't know that. I love when they showed the hurricane footage, and they showed some birds trying to fly, and they're flying, but they're going backwards. They're like losing ground, or like, oh man, like just turn around and go with the wind, wherever really? They couldn't beat it. Is it gonna rain on you? I think most of them still want to get wet. That's your hat? Oh. What's wrong with it? Hiding. You are truly showing it. Hiding inside of the leaves. Look at that. It's like hiding in the big deadline this morning. Yeah. God love it. Nick couldn't find it this morning. He's like, where did I go? We're on the front porch. I'm like, I don't know. And he goes and he's like, ah, and yelling for it. And she's on the step, first step, right down the left. The she's sitting on the cover here. She's like sitting in that seat. Yeah, so just hiding there. And he's like, oh, she's right here. So sad. I know. If it rains, it's really great little sun. Hug. Yeah, I know. Very photogenic. You pretty? You like ice cream? You like steak? You like steak? I kind of want to go down. Hyde Park will have stories. Yeah, we showed them on the news. More dramatic than more dramatic when seeing a trailer tipped over is just so commonplace. Yeah, their house is worth so much more. So yeah, the damage is higher. that was sitting out there, I said, I would there's one of the little strange little rusty things we are. I would totally use it too. And
I know, I thought of it. I said, she's